Law of One. The law of one states that there is only one infinite creator with infinite intelligence. The creator can choose to activate only a portion of its creation. This portion anyway contains paradoxically the whole within itself. The creator engineered the portion in order to give himself more knowing, more experiences. His intelligence and energy can form a single star or a galaxy with billions of star systems. Each galaxy has its own system of natural laws and its own cosmic mind. The light was the first visible manifestation. Light is intelligent manifestation full of energy with the building block of matters. The creation forms 7 levels or densities. The last one, the 8th density, forming the again first density. The first density of the next octave of experience. Just like the 8th note on the musical scale. At the new first density, the creation re-emerges with a new period of timeless and formless. When the first density moves out of its timeless and formless state, space and time had begun. The first densify period takes about 2 billion years. The second density is the density of growth. Biological life emerges and evolves into greater and greater complexity. Third density is the time for self-awareness. Time for discovering consciousness and spirit. With consciousness and spirit, the earth entities can now make a choose. All those who have successfully chosen the right path will come together with others like minds. Fourth density is the density of love or understanding. They form a social memory complex in order to pursue farther the path. The fifth density is the density of light or wisdom. The fifth density entities are beautiful by our standards as they can consciously shape their physical forms. The sixth density is the density of unity in which love and wisdom are blended together. The seventh density is the gateway density in which we once again will become united with the One, turning towards timelessness and formlessness. The eighth density is also the beginning of the first density, the beginning of the next creation, the beginning new infinity universes. Questions and answers. How did you journey from Venus to this planet? We used thought. Would it have been possible to have taken one of us to Venus? Our density conditions is not hospitable to your life forms. Do you have to change your dimension in order to walk on Earth? As sixth dimension being, we are capable of manipulating to be any human form only by thought. We are able to clothe ourselves in a replica visible to the third density to your mind as body. We were allowed to do so by the council which guards your planet. Where is this council located? The council is located at Saturn Ring. Are there any people such as you on Earth? There was a population of other entities in your solar system. Long time before these entities destroyed the planetary sphere. They were forced to find room for themselves, which was one in your solar system. Earth was offering a suitable place at that time. How did they come here? They came here through the process of reincarnation. Is Earth's population originally from Maldek? The people from Maldek prefers to reincarnate it inside your Earths rather than upon it. The population of your planet contains many various groups from many other dimensions and cycled. You are not at all one race. Is the law of one behind us incarnated here in our planet? The incarnation process is guarded and watched by nurturing beings who are very close to the One. The goal for you is to move along the line of light and love. Some entity on Earth may have barely reached third density time, and some are very close to the ending of their time on Earth. During that time, the planet itself has moved through the dimensions and ceased being useful for the lower levels of vibrations. What is the position of our planet now with respect to what you said? This sphere is moving into fourth dimension vibrations. It will not be an easy transition. It will come with some inconveniences. This inconvenience, how long time will it last? It will last a period of approximately 30 years. After 30 years I am assuming that we will be in a fourth density planet. Is that correct? It is impossible to estimate what % of the population that will inhabit the fourth density planet. The harvesting time is not yet and estimation is meaningless. The disc-shaped craft that we call UFO, are they from your star? The craft of which you speak have not been used by us. However, we have used crystals and the bell-shaped objects in the past. We visited your Earth 18,000 years ago and then again 11,000 years ago. During our visiting memories and thoughts forms here, therefore, we are a part of your society. Are you participating with the Confederation of Stars? I am one of the members of the Confederation. There are 503 civilizations in this confederation. All the attained are in dimensions beyond your third. The Confederation contains entities from your solar system and entities from other galaxies. The Confederation members are not alike but allied in service according to the law of one. As many as 15 Confederation spaceships are in your skies at present. 7 of these are operating with a craft known already to you. Their purpose is very simple, to allow you, the people of your planet, to become aware of us. Why cannot you come openly and give proof of your existence? We must first integrate all of the portions of your social memory complex, then our spaceship will be seen. It is approved by the Council of Saturn. The quarantine will be lifted. What is the Saturn Council function? The members of the Council are representatives from the Star Confederation and from your inner planet. The Council bearing the responsibility for your third density planet. There are 204 entities which offer their services to the Council when requested. These entities have been called the Guardians. The Council communication operates by telepathic contact. They are more 24 external advisors for getting consensus judgment/thinking. What are the connection between vibration and gravity? Entity using the basic concepts of vibration will begin to understand even what you call gravity and dimensions. Is Larson's idea of the progression of what he calls space-time is correct? This concept is incorrect about the natural laws and ways of expressing them mathematically. You said that there's further information, which you'd be happy to share. Could you complete the further information on that? You may understand each color or ray as very specific and accurate. But they are a portion of intelligent energies, representation of intelligent infinity. You will see the same patterns repeated in physical and metaphysical areas. The rays are what you may call the physical illusion. The rays are in a physical manifestation visible to the eye. Each density has a greater and greater spiritual mass. The physics of the law of one unified physical science with spirituality. The key is to contemplate the meanings of these nuts and bolts pieces of data. Then you can develop holistic understanding of the universe and yourselves. The choice is ours to contemplate and distill the knowledge for greater meanings. The fourth density is the density of love or understanding for those who have successfully chose.